Hello, SkillShift champions. It's Asena here, and I am beyond thrilled to give you a fantastic update on our journey so far, and what lies ahead in the SkillShift program. From the very start, our goal has been to create a community that embraces diversity, equality, and inclusion. I am delighted to say that our cohort of 50 trainees is a vibrant mix of experiences, ages, genders, and cultures. You are the heart of SkillShift, and your unique perspectives enrich our learning environment. I hope you've all settled into the Google Classroom and our Slack workspace. These platforms are designed to make your learning journey seamless, with a wealth of materials to explore and a space to connect with your fellow trainees and our brilliant trainers. The Soft Skills Appraisal has given us valuable insights into your emotional intelligence and how you approach various workplace scenarios. Your commitment to this process is commendable, and it sets the stage for meaningful discussions in the upcoming sessions. Our first workshop was a blast. I loved hearing about your hobbies and passions. It's these personal touches that make SkillShift special. We dove into the essentials of project management, setting the foundation for what's to come. The case study on optimizing software development project management was a highlight. We explored real challenges and innovative solutions, drawing inspiration from a company's transformative journey. Your engagement and interactive discussions were truly impressive. Now, let's talk about what's on the horizon. Next Saturday, January 27th, is going to be phenomenal. We'll announce the results of the Soft Skills Appraisal and delve deeper into leadership skills, project management, and emotional intelligence. I've got exciting materials lined up for you on the Google Classroom. We'll continue exploring the Ignite module for the next 6 weeks, covering essential topics that will prepare you for the experiential learning and mentorship phase in March. SkillShift is not just a program. It's a journey of growth, collaboration, and innovation. Your dedication is inspiring, and I can't wait to see the incredible strides we'll make together. Remember, the path to success is a collective effort, and we are on this journey side by side. Stay tuned, SkillShifters. The best is yet to come.